As you can see, we're not just bringing the dial to our ProArt Studiobook series, we actually created our own custom dial mechanism and encoder to keep the Studiobook 16 this slim and allow for very precise adjustments with a satisfying tactile feedback. The Studiobook 16 OLED can be configured with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070, while the Studiobook Pro 16 OLED comes with up to an NVIDIA RTX A5000 professional-grade GPU. Both of them are available with up to an AMD Ryzen 9, Intel Core i9, or even Intel Xeon. This gives you a surprisingly large number of combinations of CPUs and GPUs to choose from to perfectly match your particular workflow. Artists strive for visual perfection, and the display in the Studiobook 16 and Pro 16 deliver on it, with the world's first 16-inch 16x10 4K OLED HDR display that's in a class of its own. OLED delivers truly eye-catching visuals with extremely high contrast and deep blacks, and a 100% DCI-P free color gamut that ensures vivid, true-to-life colors. It's not just Pantone calibrated, but even passes the stricter Kalman certification. And by shifting the wavelength of the blue subpixels by a couple of nanometers, it emits 70% less harmful blue light than regular panels. Next up, we have a surprise announcement for you. Our ProArt series is now expanding into accessories as well, starting with the ProArt mouse and the ProArt mousepad, both of which are tailored specifically for creative use. The dial on the side of the ProArt mouse MD300 gives you access to precise and intuitive control right at your fingertip, without even having to lift your hand from your mouse. The dial can be fully customized and will come with all the same features and application support like our other ASUS dials, such as on the Studiobook 16. The ProArt mousepad PS201 offers not just a precise and accurate woven polyester surface for your mouse to track, but also has a stylish leather strip on top which hides two built-in magnets in the corners to dock your ASUS pen, charging cable, or other accessory. The VivoBook Pro 14X OLED and 16X OLED combine high-performance 45-watt CPUs and up to NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti graphics with OLED panels in a slim and surprisingly light chassis. With up to an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX mobile processor and up to 32 GB of memory, you get a really impressive amount of performance in such an ultra-thin and ultra-light chassis. With a powerful 96 Wh battery for the 16-inch and 63 Wh for the 14-inch model, you've got plenty of battery life as well. The VivoBook Pro X series also features our brand new ASUS dial pad, a virtual customizable dial that's built into the touchpad, with the same functionality as our physical dials on the Studiobook 16. Besides the AMD-powered models, there are Intel 11th Gen H-series versions too, available in Comet Gray and Cool Silver.